3 plus 3 root 3 plus 6. 14.196. And the other one is 1 divided by 2 times 3 root 3, which is 7.794. Okay, so that's how you do number 4 using algebra. Okay, any question on that one? All right, so the number 6, 7, 8, 9 have to do with trigonometry. So basic trigonometry.
Can I grade on the text?
2, 7, 8, and 9. 6, 7, 8, 6. Okay, so first you need to define the basic sine function. So given a right triangle, okay, and angle A, so its opposite side is labeled little a. Opposite side. Okay, so its adjacent side is the side that's the part of the angle. So its adjacent side is a side of the angle. Okay, and so then you can relabel it as A and OPP for opposites, ADJ for adjacent, and then this would be HYP for hypotenuse.
And is that always based off of the angle that you're referring to?
That's right, yes. If you change the angle, then the opposite side will change, the hypotenuse side will. The hypotenuse is always hypotenuse, but opposite and adjacent depends on which angle you're referring to. Okay. All right, so on this case, so this will be A, and this will be angle B, and side B. Okay, so then this is a definition. Sine of A is opposite over hypotenuse. So A over H. Cosine of A is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is B over H. Okay. And then tangent of A is opposite over adjacent, which is A over B. And this is also equal to sine over cosine. Okay, so you put the numbers in, they'll give you the same thing. Okay, so any question on that one? All right, so let's do number 8, right? So number 8 says, given a right triangle with A at 25 degrees and C is 10 centimeters, find angle B, and then use trigonometry use trigonometry to find sine A and sine B. To find A and B. Okay, so draw a diagram. So again, not very accurate, it's just a diagram. Okay, so this is 25 degrees, 10 centimeters. Okay, so what is the angle B? B would be 90 degree minus 25 degree, 65 degrees. Okay, so that's the, all right, so next, use trigonometry to find side A and side B. Use trigonometry to find side A and side B. Okay, so trigonometry, that means angles and sides. So that means you have to use cosine, sine, or tangent. Okay, and then A, B, and H. Okay, so then just look at your diagram. Where is A? This A right there. Okay, and you have to pick one of the formulas you want to use. So you want to use sine, cosine, or tangent. Well, so which formula do we pick? That's the next question. Well, that depends on what you have. Okay. So, for example, you pick a sine, right? So you pick question. Yes,
Yeah, when you drew number 8 earlier, you did it differently.
I can't hear you.
You didn't do the 65 up there. Does that matter?
I'm not sure.
This one. You drew it differently. So I'm confused when I'm looking back
Yeah,
at
that's
it.
65.
Yeah, but you're drawing it.
That's what I said. This is the diagram.
It's
So the diagram is just a way to put in the numbers. So it's not, it doesn't different from how you draw it. So it's the same. You just rotate it a little bit. Okay, but the relationship is the same. All right. So what was I? Right. So which formula we pick? Well, it depends on what you have. And so what do you have? You have angle A, which is 25 degrees. You have hypotenuse, which is 10 centimeters. And you have B, which is 65 degrees. Okay. And so that means we have one side. So we want to use a formula with hypotenuse. So use a formula with hypotenuse in it. Okay, so which formula has hypotenuse in it? Right there. Use sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so sine or cosine, right? Because those are the ones that has hypotenuse in it. Sine or cosine. Right. And so you pick an angle. So say we want to pick, so we want to find A. So to find A, side A, use angle A. No, they seem to rhyme. Okay. So you go sine of angle A is opposite over hypotenuse. And so sine of 25 degrees equal opposite is A, hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. Okay, so how do you solve for A? You need to cancel out the 10. So how do you cancel out the 10? Yeah, multiply by 10. Right, so then so A is 10 times sine of 25 degrees. Okay, so then the calculator, you need to change the mode to degree. So change mode to degree. So that means shift what? And what? Shift mode. Shift mode 3. and then you type in what you want. So then you type in 10 times sine 25. So the answer is 4.226. Okay, any question on that one? And so how do I find side B? So which form do I use to find side B? Well,
Use sine or cosine.
which one?
Side B is adjacent leg, right?
Well, look at, what do we do for side A? So to find side A, use angle A. So to find side B, use angle
B.
B, of course. And so sine of B is opposite of hypotenuse. So opposite of angle B is little b over hypotenuse, which is 10 centimeters. So B over 10 is sine of 65 degrees. So to find B, you multiply by 10. So B is 10 times sine of 65 degrees. Okay, so 10 times sine of 65 degrees. And so the answer is 9.06. Okay, so that's, which number was that? Number 8. So did I do number 8? Yeah. Okay, so next we're going to measure to be sure that it's. Okay, so then again, using your the drawing to check your work, right? So this is A, and so this is little a, this is B, that's a little b. So you can see right there that little a is about 4.2. Yeah, so this is 4.2. Okay, so which is pretty close to 4.226. And then measure angle B, the side B. Okay, so side B is about 9.1. Yeah, approximately 9.1. And so the exact measurement is 9.06. So they're very close. So the drawing is fairly accurate. Okay. Anyhow, so that's what you do to number, what number was it? Did I do number 8? Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's number 8. All right, so then use okay. Yeah, so then you just go home and do number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
11. And then next time I'll do number 12.
1,
And
3, 5, 7, 9.